Hi, today I'm recording Poco M5s and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should first click to the edit icon and then scroll down. Here we can see there's down section with invisible icons. If you want to add some icons from here, you should hold the icon and drag it to this up section. Just hold and drag it. If you want to remove some of these icons, by the same way, hold it and drag it to this down section. And just to save to change the positions, you should by the same way hold the icon and just drag it. As you can see, that's so simple. Then just click here to done to save the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.